Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making a soap with natural sea sponges. They're grown naturally, and what I do is I take and I wet them and then lay them out and try to let them air dry a little bit. Keeps the fluffiness in there. And then we might add some little seahorses to them. So first of all, we're going to add a little bit of our base so we can attach the sponge to it. I only have 3, so I'm only going to be able to do 3 bars. So we will get this first one in there, and we're going to spritz it, and we're going to spritz our sponge real well. These are kind of large, so I was going to put a seahorse in them, but I don't think I'm going to have enough room. They'll kind of just lay in there because they're so large. It's that one. This one's really big. Okay, I'm going to spritz the sponge. I think I might try pull them up a little bit. So I get more soap in there to get a full bar. Okay, so we've got them in there. Go ahead and add what's left here. I think we're going to have to go pour a little bit more. Give it a spritz. Kind of just soaks it up through the bottom. So the back you'll have like a flat bar, and then you'll have the sponge on the top to wash with. And I don't think we're going to get our seahorses in there. This color off. Okay, we're going to let this set up just a little bit, and then we'll be back to finish the tops. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more blue in there to make sure it covers up part of the sponge. But it is pretty warm. I'll let it cool down. Maybe we'll try add some white. It's going to do it at the top, but we'll do it both. I have my pipette here, and I mixed a little bit of mica in with rubbing alcohol. Probably cover up most of it, putting in the rest of our blue, but we'll do it again on the top. This way we're getting it to soak into the sponge, so you have soap all the way through. like dripping on top of it. To put the rest in here. Okay, we're going to give it one more spritz. And we'll let it set for just a minute. And I don't like that I got that soap in there. I guess it's going to stay. Doesn't have to get totally solid to put the white in there, but we want it to cool off a little bit. So we'll give it just a couple minutes. And check I'm going to check the temperature on my white. It's at 140, so that should maybe cool down a little bit. They look so big when I put them in, and now they're shrunk up with all the soap inside them. Okay. Put some white up in there. I think I need to let it set a minute before I spritz it. Now we got some bubbles. And spritz it before I put the droplet on there. A little bit of white left down in here. Yes, these sponges were too big. I made little seahorses to put in there, but we'll use them for another project. I don't see any bubbles. I hate to spritz it with some more alcohol because it'll make all the colors run. So I think I'm going to leave it just as it is. And we'll be back to unmold them. Okay, our soap is ready to be unmolded. So we're going to go ahead and take them out. This is a great mold to use. It's by Crafter's Choice. They come out so easy. Okay. Some of them have like a little ridge on them. We'll just take and cut that off real careful. That's the last one. I'm just okay. Put these back. Put this one up front so you can see it better. The sponge is really soft on this side to use. And these are kind of different after the soap went inside. Okay, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.